Again.
Bubba, come up, come up, come up!
Come on, hot!
Strauss on the tackle of number 11, Cam.
Ooh, that right guard is nasty. Wow. He's just every step. It's a double team every. String him out, string him out. Nice. Hey. Tackle. Clamp down. We'll throw right behind it. Get him! There you go! Find him! Make it hurt, hit him! There you go!
Yeah! Look at him rolling. Come on, come on, pick him up, pick him up.
Strip it! Strip the ball! To the ground! Another hometown spot. CNN. Real person. Stay home! Oh, come on! I don't think he got it. Watch the spot.
Tackle by 21.
No. That's where it was.
It might not have been a first down. Get him! Get him! Come on, Jack! Come on!
No.
Taunting. Look at that center. Oh my God. That center like nasty.
That's a crap.
We're gonna block off this top side here. That's a good kick. Are you serious? You should have the ball at 40. Come on. We don't got time for that.
What is it? Just a do-over?
The ball wasn't on. Go, Ben.
Get the corner, come on.
Smoke that kid. Beast. They're throwing this? Yeah! Get him! Yeah!
Ah, that's two.
Trips right on the field.
Please try to get him to the press box. Thanks.
Nice. Oh, good move. Oh, oh, that was a high hit. Where's that flag?
You got the beat.
Give him the hard count. There's his tush push. Bring in the seniors. Get that? See if he even touches that.
Oh, he almost blocked it.
Oh, what is that? Hit him back, punk.
Come on, buddy.
Oh, come on. That's emotion there. motion. There you go. Push him forward. Atta boy. Good run. Get him! Strip it! In the turf! In the turf!
Hendricks over here.
Smoke his head off the ground. What a tackle. What a play.
Go, go, go.
Boom. Get on it!
Corner. Now they have a
Yeah, eat it up!
Morgan, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, Morgan, come on. Get off that block.
You called them.
It's just spread them out to run.
Take me.
That quarterback can't make that throw. Why are you playing 5 yards off?
We should shrink it up. Tighten it up a little.
Well, they got some beef on the offensive line, though.
Mm-hmm.
That's make a play. Nothing. God, I can't see you. Pretty wide, it could be single them out. Oh, come on. Oh, he's shifty. Wow, he can play.
Number 11, Dale Barnett on the carry.
Turned 60. We got a return off that. Come on.